Drowning in a sea of WhatsApp messages, let's transform your chaos into calm with this quick guide to mastering Wati for WhatsApp Business. First, logged into your Wati Dashboard, you'll see a clean interface designed for efficiency. Take a quick glance to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, navigate to the inbox. This is where all your WhatsApp conversations come to life. Click on a conversation to view the message history and respond directly. To save time, use quick replies. Click the lightning bolt icon. In the reply box, you can create and use pre-written responses for frequently asked questions. Need to reach a large audience? Head over to the Broadcasts tab here. You can craft and send personalized messages to multiple contacts at once. But remember to respect WhatsApp's guidelines on spam. Managing contacts is a breeze. Go to the Contacts section to add new users, create lists, and segment your audience for targeted communication. Finally, track your progress in the Analytics section. Monitor key metrics like message volume, response times, and customer engagement to optimize your strategy. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to using Wati to revolutionize your WhatsApp business communication. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.